So this is our guest bedroom. We recently purchased a new mattress. This is the Novilla medium firm mattress, and we couldn't be happier with it. My friends came over and stayed. Even their child stayed with them on this bed, and they were so comfortable. We are so happy with this mattress. This mattress is really good because you don't need a box spring with this mattress. This mattress is so thick. I think it's 12 inches. And it fits beautifully in our frame. The memory foam is just perfect, especially because, as moms, you end up with back pain and things like that. So I needed something that would contour into my back so I can sleep more comfortably, and this is perfect.
We were trying to figure out what mattress is going to best suit for this room. And because this is also my office, I want something for myself. But this turned out to be really good by Novilla.
We are so pleased with this mattress that I'm considering buying actually a king size one for our bedroom.